I am officially on day 66 on my hairline growth journey. As always, we're going to start with our shea butter moisturizer, thoroughly applying that to our hair. And of course, we're going to follow up with our strawberry mint hair growth oil. Once all our products are thoroughly applied, we're going to grab our soft brush and we're going to go ahead and do a 10-minute brush session. And of course, you want to always start brushing from your crown, work down to your hairline, making sure you hit all 8 angles. If you don't know your 8 angles, be sure to check out my 14 video series on my TikTok account where I teach you all your 360 wave basics and fundamentals. Once you learn your 8 angles, come back, start brushing from your crown, work down to your hairline. You want to precisely hit all 8 angles, 60 strokes each angle. Don't you dare miss an angle. Listen, yesterday I had to go to a wedding with my girlfriend and I needed a hairline for the day, so I had to get some enhancement. But today is a new day. Let's get back to work. We're going to grab our continuous spray bottle and a tissue. We're going to thoroughly wet that tissue, and now it's time to wipe off the enhancements, stop dreaming, and come back to reality. Let's go ahead and grab our Hims 5% minoxidil hair growth treatment, apply that to both corners, and we're going to grab our soft brush and thoroughly brush the minoxidil in our corners. We're going to follow up with our strawberry mint hair growth oil. We're going to do the exact same thing, applying that to both corners and brushing that in. Now let's finish up with our derma stamp. Turn the needles to your preferred level. Mine is 1.5 millimeters, so that's what I'm turning it to. I'm going to do about 5 to 7 stamps each corner, horizontally and vertically. My reasoning for using a derma stamp is to cause micro tears, bringing more blood flow to the area, and with the use of minoxidil along with my hair growth oil, hopefully that will lead to some hair growth in that specific area. Afterwards, you want to disinfect your derma stamp with some type of alcohol, run it under some hot water, and pat it dry with a clean tissue before storing it for your next use. Usually I throw my satin do-rag on after I finish, but I'm kind of tired of wearing my do-rags 24/7, so I'm going to throw on my satin line beanie. It's a beanie with a do-rag on the inside. If you want to get your hands on one of these beanies, check out the latherspot.com. Use code THINKS at checkout to get 25% off. I'll catch you on my next one.